Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Let's get started here. So we're going to install Python today. This is a very friendly beginner language. And this is what you do first here is you go to Google, you type in Thonny, and then from there you download the application. And once that's been downloaded, just execute it, and then I'll go through all these prompts here, install it through your desired hard drive. Now I have a lot of space on mine, so I just put it into a different hard drive that's not the standard one. Alright, once that's completed fast, do the magic of video editing, hit finish, minimize this, go the Windows key, type in Thonny, hit open, and you're ready to code.